Welcome to this beautiful, fully renovated 5-bedroom home, ideally located in the coveted Sellwood-Moreland neighborhood. This central location provides quick access to fantastic restaurants, pubs, and shops. It's close to bike trails in all directions, the Orange Max Line to downtown Portland, and you're just a few blocks from Westmoreland Park, Eastmoreland Golf Course, Sellwood Riverfront Park, and Oaks Bottom Wildlife Refuge. Nestled on a tree-lined lot, this home of more than 2,200 square feet has an inviting front deck welcoming you home. Discover refinished hardwood floors encompassing the entire main floor, 2 wood-burning fireplaces, and large windows offering an abundance of natural light. The sunny dining room with access to the deck opens to the updated kitchen with contemporary finishes and fixtures. Built in 1966, this home combines thoughtful, modern upgrades with the classic workmanship of its era. You'll find 3 bedrooms on this main level and an updated full bath. Downstairs, you can unwind by the second wood-burning fireplace in the spacious family room. And you'll find 2 more bedrooms, plus another updated full bath. The attached garage offers ample space for parking and storage. The large mahogany deck is a perfect outdoor space for enjoying your morning coffee, hosting family and friends around the grill, or simply unwinding in a private and serene setting. The fenced backyard provides plenty of space for you to create a garden paradise. In addition to the garage, the driveway has off-street parking for 2 cars, a coveted feature for this popular area. A fantastic blend of location, style, convenience, and comfort. It's ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact James Bradley with Premier Property Group.